Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Rajivpujala. We already have seen how to add or subtract the days to the day. But in this video, let's see if we have both date and time, and if you would like to add 1 hour or like 1 day or 5 seconds or like 30 minutes to a specific date time, how we can do this one. And why we have to add this one, let's assume that you are doing an automation and exactly after 30 minutes, a function has to run. So how you can tell, you can use the add datetime add function to add, and in that you can add 30 minutes, and whenever the current time matches with the addition of 30 minutes already created value, you can let your automation run. Let's see how it works in the real time. Okay, so instead of date, I'm going to return a date time. So timestamp. So on the time expression, okay, I'm going to give some UTC time value 2024 12 22nd. So let's assume that the value is 12:30 UTC, which means like in India it is like 6 o'clock maybe, Asia or Kolkata, as IST date time. So let's run this one. So this returns the value as 2024 12 6 o'clock in the evening. So this is cool. Now let's add date time add. I want to add 10 seconds to this one. What is the value? So let's take a specific time, date time of timestamp 2024 12 22 12:30 hours. This is the timestamp. Let's assume this is the current time, and I would like to have the time zone. I would like to see everything in my time zone. So I'm adding the time zone. Okay, Kolkata. And let's whenever if you remember the previous one, whenever we're adding something, we have to use the interval keyboard. Let's like I would like to add 5 hours as 5 hours, like hours plus. Let's see how this one. So basically, this is the time, and it has added 5 hours to this one. Cool, right? Let's add mm, one more thing. Date time add. Okay, date time timestamp 2024 12 22 12:30. I'm writing this again and again. So basically, this helps us to get more comfortable with the dates and the times. Right, Kolkata. So I would like to add interval of 30 minutes, 30 minute. Yes. Okay, as minute plus 100 minutes. Mm, date time. Okay, so here it has to be this one. Okay. Now this is fine. So 30 minutes we have added. You can see, if I mean the time that we taken is 18 hours, and it is like 18:30 here. Let's add a few seconds as well. Date, date time, add date time timestamp 2024 12 2022 12:30 0 UTC Asia Kolkata. Mm, okay, interval. I would like to have like 5 seconds maybe. Let's add 5 seconds as second plus. Okay, and this one here, this is here, and this is here. Why did this one? It's on this one. Okay, there it go. We have added 5 seconds, and let's add one more day. So date, time, add date, time of timestamp 2024 12 22 12 30 00 UTC Asia. Kolkata. Okay, I would like to add interval Monday as dateless. Hmm. We don't need this one here. Okay, what date time add expected end of result. Okay, we forgot to put a comma here. So you can see it has added one more day as well. So 2024 12 23. So this is how we can add hours, minutes, seconds, and a day for the date time when you have both dates and the time. Let's see date time subtract. So instead of writing it again and again, let's take a template table here with date as select timestamp of 2024 12 22nd. Let's say like 12:30 hours UTC. The time is then is like Asia or Kolkata. Okay, as time date no current date time. Okay, we have to add one. This one here timestamp and here the date time of this one. Okay, now I guess this one is here. This one is here. This one is here. Select star from data. Let's see. Okay, so now we have got the time. Now what we are going to do, let's subtract the day. So what I can do, so let's copy this one, date times up of this days interval. I would like to minus one day as minus day. Let's see, let's run this one. Today's date, unrecognized name. Okay, from date down. Okay, so let it be like today date. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, now you can see that. So the date now here is a 21. And then let's see like a date time sub of today date interval. Maybe like let's separate minus 1 hour, like minus hour, and you can see it is like 18 hours here and it is like 17 hours here. And let's add one more date time subtract of today date interval 30 minutes as minus minute. And also let's add one more, this date time subtract of today date interval, let's do like 30 seconds as minus seconds. So now you can see how it generated the values over here: minus 1 day, minus 1 hour, minus a minute, and minus 30 minutes, and minus a second. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you happy learning. All the best.